I'm still fiddling around with these lights, see if I can get the color as accurately as possible. So please bear with me. Hello, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. I've got James from Estetica Designs in the color Chrome RT1B to share with you today. I will be unboxing James. I like to thank Franny's Hair for providing James for me so I could review it for all of you. The link to James will be listed down below for you in the description box. I'd like to invite you all to Franny's Hair on Facebook. We have lots of members there helping and supporting each other, and we would love to have you join us. I'd also like to invite you over to Franny's Hair YouTube channel. She has an amazing channel. She just shows so many styles. She recently did an interview with Henry Margaux. She has videos with her sisters, with her mom. It's a family-owned business, and I really hope you stop over and see her on her YouTube channel and also on the private Facebook group. All right, right now I'm wearing Brighton, also from Estetica. This is brand new to Estetica in the heat-friendly fibers, and I thought I'd wear it as I unbox James. I was going to say Jameson. It's not Jameson, it's James. This is a longer piece, heat-friendly fibers. The fibers are incredibly soft. All right, on James, we have a temple-to-temple lace front. We have a full mono top, open ear tab with the fibers coming through. We have an open extended nape, and we do have the Velcro adjusters. There is a bit of stretch, but I'll let you know how it fits. I have a 21.5-inch circumference, and my other two measurements are petite average. I had to cinch in Brighton, so I am going to cinch James a bit as well. I'm seeing a little bit of box hair right here. Going to add some water. All right, here is James. Let me show it to you on all sides. Let's start off with the fit. I don't feel that it it doesn't have that 360-degree stretch as we find on most Estetica, or as we've come to find on Estetica. It does have a good amount of stretch. I feel that it runs a true average. I know Estetica will fit up to a 23-inch. I don't think that this one will, but I really don't have any way of gauging it. I'm just going by my size, how it fits, and how much I had to cinch it in. I think it will fit a 22-inch very comfortably. I have very good coverage. Here is the ear tab right there, and my very low hairline. The fibers are really soft, but they don't feel wispy. I feel the denier is a little bit thicker, and therefore I don't think that they'll become as dry and brittle as we may find on other heat-friendly fibers where we're going to have some issue, especially with such a long piece. Estetica fibers are workhorses. They last a very long time. My Esteticas, I've got Esteticas that are 2 or 3 years old, worn lots, and they last. It seems as if they went an extra step with the heat-friendly fibers as well. Even if you don't care for heat-friendly fibers, these feel really nice, and they will probably be they'll probably hold up just as well as their regular synthetics. The advantage that we have with the heat-friendly fibers is that, of course, we could add heat if we wanted to add some curl, but we wanted to straighten it a little bit more. But also we have the advantage that it doesn't have as much shine as regular synthetic fibers, even though it's a fairly easy process to eliminate the shine on regular synthetics. But Chrome RT1B is a color that I wear often, and I usually have to add a lot of dry shampoo, sometimes the brunette dry shampoo from Batiste, in order to eliminate some of that shine that we find on Chrome RT1B. I'm not seeing any shine here whatsoever. None. It's perfect. It looks just, and it feels just like natural hair. That's the other thing with heat-friendly fiber. It's going to feel more like natural hair than we have on synthetics, which has a different feel to it. On James, you're not going to have any permatease whatsoever. This is a very, very sleek style. Remember, we have a full mono top. Therefore, we can part it anywhere we want. And the parting is done beautifully, as you can see. It goes pretty far back. Very well done. Parted on the right, parted on the left. Take a look at the lace front. Please remember that on chrome RT1B, the 1B indicates that it has an off black root. Therefore, we're going to have some knotting. However, you may not find any knotting if you look at one of the lighter colors. Estetica did bring a little bit of the grays to the front, but it's not in abundance. It's a minimal amount, and therefore you're going to be able to see that knotting from the black root. As I mentioned, this is a color that I wear lots from Estetica, and all I do is just move it over, and I don't have a problem with it. The density, I feel it's an average density. James weighs 5.5 ounces. So while we do have a good amount of hair here, I don't feel that it's an abundance. If I want to see how easily it tucks behind the ear, and it's fine. If I wanted to do a ponytail, it's a very thin ponytail. I love having long pieces, even though I don't usually wear them loose like that. But I like to wear them in a ponytail. I like to wear it in a half up and half down. Wear it with a headband. Leave some of the fibers running through. Oh, this is such a pretty style. The measurements on James, we have a bang of 6 1/4 inches. So here it is right here. There's probably some shorter ones there. And we have sides of 12 inches. The crown is 12 1/4 inches, and so is the nape. There are some subtle layers going through. So, and it's not addressed in the measurements that I was given in the stock. But as you can see, we do have those layers going through. The color Chrome RT1B. Here we have a blend of a white, a gray, and there's 25% brown in this blend. And then we have that black root, off black root. James is also very similar to Hudson. I no longer have Hudson, but I will place a picture of my Hudson up here. The difference for those of you that are familiar with Hudson is that on James, you're going to have a shorter bang. We have a bang of 6 1/4 inches on James, while on Hudson we have 10 inches. So if you love the style, you don't want heat-friendly fibers, a good option for you is Hudson. And if you do like heat-friendly fibers, I think James is a great way to go. Once again, thank you, Franny's Hair, for providing James for me so I could review it, and the link will be listed down below for you in the description box. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.